This is the Skinny and Rose Show. How are you?
Welcome to the Skinny and Rose Show. This is show number 2.
We just want to start by thanking City TV for posting our first episode on their website. We really
We're
appreciate
surprised.
that. We were surprised, yes.
Yeah, we discovered that having coffee at about 6:30 a.m. one day.
What about Belinda? There's been a lot that's happened since we last talked about it.
Well, now she's a dog and a bitch, and all these things have happened, and she slept with Ty, and that was smart, and had an affair, and now things have just sort of spiraled out of control for her in terms of bad press. Apparently she has no education. She never graduated from university. Her father set her up in jobs, and she almost destroyed the company, so they got her into politics. Wow. What an MP we have.
Well,
Quite
let me
entertaining.
ask you this. The Toronto mayoral race is coming up, and I don't want to be quoted for this because I don't even know what the date is, but do you know who the candidates are for the City of Toronto mayor's race?
No, and I don't like being put on the spot like this. Okay, this is why I hate politics. It's because I don't know, and you know I don't know. So now you're asking me on Live Fade if I know, and you know I don't know.
But maybe
So what
it's a
point
good
are you
thing,
trying to make that I don't know?
Maybe it's a good thing that you don't know. Or
No,
maybe
it's not a
that-
good thing. I look
maybe
like an
that's-
idiot on National Web World. I don't like that. I don't want to go into like some sort of like
Well, I think we could have fun. With
yeah,
the,
fun
the
for you.
fact that we don't
Fun
know.
for you, Mr. Politician Man. Like,
Well,
I don't know
no.
anything. I just
I
admitted to you 5
actually-
minutes ago that I don't know anything about politics. Why would I know who's running for mayor? All I know is I think David Miller's lovely, and I'm glad he's our mayor. That's all I know. I know mayors are ridiculous, like Mel Lastman, and mayors can be just jokes, and they can actually be interesting people who do good things. So, Ty. Let's talk about Ty Domi.
Ty Domi
And his position in all of
Leanne Domi and her claims of
Maybe Ty and
infidelity.
Belinda are
What
really in
did we
love.
learn tonight? We learned that another claim of infidelity by Ty Domi was Tia Carrera.
Carrera.
Because
When
she was working
making
on
that
Relic
movie,
Hunter
Relic Hunter.
in Toronto.
And, Ty's, he's sexy. People want him. I can see how Tia would want him.
He's sexy, and he was a Toronto Maple Leaf, and that takes you pretty far in the city. I mean,
Okay, so
she's
if
another
Belinda's Paris, who's Ty?
Kevin Ferdinand.
Kevin Ferdinand. David. Of course, exactly who he is. Brittany. Belinda's Brittany. Belinda could be a Brittany. Well, no, because Brittany she came from modest, humble beginnings.
And Brittany has a lot more
She's a little more
talent.
Yeah, at least she has some talent as well.
What's Belinda's
Debatable
talent?
how talented she is.
If you were to
Belinda
name Belinda's
doesn't
talent,
have-
what is Belinda's talent?
She seems
Somebody
like
actually wrote in on the website and said she is hot. Do you think maybe our
Who wrote that?
House of Commons is so
Someone
lame.
thinks she's
Somebody
hot?
on the CBC website wrote in as a comment and said, "Oh, Belinda's really hot. I hope she stays in politics because."
Thank God there's one good-looking person in politics.